Hi everybody, it's Mrs. D. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to share with you a few things from Riverside's library. On our Riverside Library webpage or on the school website, you can find what I call a library choice board, and I will show you that here, how you find that. First, you're going to go to Riverside's website. So when you type in Riverside Elementary School, Ringgold, Wisconsin, that's us. So you click on that, and that's our school website. And when we go to the top where it says Student Resources, there's a few choices here. You can go to the library website, and that I'm sure looks familiar to you when I go to that. This is our website that we've been going to throughout the school year. You can also, if we go back to the Riverside website and go to Student Resources, you see there are library choice boards, and here is a library choice board K through 2. So when you click on that, it just brings up a Google Doc that I put together for you and your parents to look at. It just has some different ideas of some things that you can do during this week. You could read one of the books that you checked out. You could explore Pebble Go, and it gives you the login and password for Pebble Go. You could do a parts of a book activity sheet. You could go to Scholastic Learn at Home, which has some really cool activities on it. Or you could do a story time with Ryan and Craig. They do a really great job of reading stories in a very animated way. When you scroll down further, there's a reading bingo that you can do, and that just gives you some different ideas of reading different types of books. So that's our library choice board. Next, I'd like to share with you a story that I read last year that's called You're Here for a Reason by Nancy Tillman, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you next. Hi, it's Mrs. D. Today I'm going to read You're Here for a Reason by Nancy Tillman. You're here for a reason. You certainly are. The world would be different without you by far. If not for your hands and your eyes and your feet, the world, like a puzzle, would be incomplete. Even the smallest of things that you do blossom and multiply far beyond you. A kindness, for instance, may triple for days or set things in motion in different ways. It travels much further than you'll ever know. Under the treetops, over the snow. Till it's wandered and fluttered. And floated. And twirled, making things happen all over the world. You're here for a reason. It's totally true. You're part of a world that's counting on you. So don't be too worried if some days fall flat. Good things can happen, even from that. Life can be tricky, there isn't a doubt. You'll skin your knees trying to figure it out. But life works together, the good and the bad, the silly and awful, and happy and sad, to paint a big picture you can't always see, a picture that needs you most definitely. Remember that next time a day goes all wrong. To somebody else, you will always be strong. And that ball that you lose, or that kite you let go, could make someone's day. You just never know. You're here for a reason. If you think you're not, I would just say that perhaps you forgot a piece of the world that is precious and dear would surely be missing if you weren't here. If not for your smile and your laugh and your heart, this place we call home would be minus a part. Thank goodness you're here. Thank goodness times 2. I just can't imagine a world without you. The Well, I hope you have a great week. If there's anything I can do to help you, just please reach out and let me know. Until I see you next week, be kind, work hard, and have fun, everybody. Bye-bye.